Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is fine. Well, I welcome to my family, your channel Trading Indices once again. So here I will be putting forward my views for the market today. So I'll be sharing here US30, that is DJ Dowjones, then Nasdaq, and also for DE30 German indices. Okay. So let's go over to the charts first. So and also I'll be sharing here my trading levels for the day with which you can follow up for the day to take an entry or exit. Okay. So here we say that yesterday also the market was good enough. It had, with a gap up, it has sustained the gap up and it was successful to reach the levels of 250, but it has got a resistance as 250, that is 34,250. There's a huge resistance, and this resistance still remains for the day. So let's see how the market behaves, because today it may be the markets are more seemingly to be on a range basis, as the US markets are on a holiday today for the Thanksgiving. Okay, anyway, let's see the charts. The chart still shows that the market is still in a bullish mode. It's in an uptrend, if you see, and the indicators, if you see, the MACD is now showing little bit of a divergence where it might show you a sell signal for the day, and to be prepared, for the next day. In fact, the RSI is in comfortable zone, or in a comfortable zone, and stochastic is also comfortable zone, and DMI, the ADX or the Directional Movement indicator, that is also in a positive zone at this moment. But I think after the German market opens, maybe we will see some sort of a retracement, and this retracement can make up some adjustments for the MACD to turn around this divergence. If you see here in this area also we had a similar situation. Now we are approaching the same situation here. If we are able to cross, the red signal is the MACD, so if we are able to diverge from this point, maybe we can see a bullish mode further. So this is for the US30. Now I'll share with you my levels for tomorrow, for today. Okay, now this is so I would, if you are going for a long, you can take a long only of after 34,250. The targets will be 34280 to 340 for the day. Now when I say entry for 34250, the other thing that you can do is that if you find the market somewhere around 34,100 or so, you also can try to get an entry, and you can keep a target of 34,250 or 30, and with a stop loss of the entry. Okay, in this way you can protect your capital. Also you can get some points over here. So sometimes the stop losses, because actual stop loss is too far from here if we see for the day, so if we want, we can make such a sort of an entry, and the sell side is below 33,970, which I do not see will be happening today, because there are no events or the markets are also closed. So overall the trend is uptrend now for in days, but monthly, weekly, still we are in the downtrend phase, and when trend reversals we may observe after 34,600 only. Okay, so any swings, maybe when the German market opens, this US30 will dance upon its swings. So that's what I'm expecting for the day for US30. Okay, now I will go to the next, that is the Nasdaq. Okay, I'll show you the entry for the Nasdaq, and let's look at the charts first. Now on Nasdaq also we see that it has, yesterday Nasdaq has broken the 11,850 barrier, which was a huge resistance for this, and now it is trying to trade in the same range, that is between 11,870 to 850. So I expect that this will be the range bound market for the day here. Okay, so until 11,700 it has a very good support for the day, also for 11,680 also I would say rather. So this is also now turning a bit bullish, but we cannot consider this a bullish after until 13,000 or so for Nasdaq. Okay, and here the MACD is showing on a uptrend so far, so it's good sign, and RSI is in a comfortable zone. Stochastic is also in a comfortable zone, and the DMI, that is also in a comfortable zone. So overall it's a bullish move for the Nasdaq at this time. So let's look on uh, to the entry levels for Nasdaq. Okay, now if we see, only above 11,930 we can make an entry, and it should trade at least 15 minutes or more for us to get a confirmation that one candle has traded about 1930. Then we can see 12,090 plus levels also. In case you taken an entry, put a stop loss to 11,850. Okay, because 850 is a major support for this. Maybe you can put a stop loss around 11,830 or 840, so that you just sometimes it just touches the stop losses and reverses. So this is one scenario. And other scenario, in case of a reversal, only short entries is recommended beyond 11,680, and wherein the targets can be around 11,580 and 11,480. And the stop losses, if you are taking a reversal, you have to look into all the factors and see that the 11,760 is the stop loss. Sometimes it might just come till 11,720, 30, and it might just again reverse back to a downtrend. So you'll have to just look into the indicators of RSI and stochastic as what it says. So this will help you to be confident on the trick that you have taken. So now trade zone I would say is between 11,720 to 850, because the market will be just swinging around this in case if it comes, but I don't see the markets to come until 11,720 today. Maybe it might come till 750 or 780 and then reverse back until tomorrow to 11,850 or above. Now daily trend for the day is on consolidation. Monthly is still on a downtrend. Strong support is 11,850, then 11,680. Strong resistance 11,930, and trend reversal scenario only 13,800. Okay, so today remains a holiday, so in US cash market, so hence we do not expect much more of movement in this markets today, because it's all be futures which will be with a less volume. So let's move on to the next, that is for the DEX. So I'll open the charts for that. Okay, for the DEX, that is a Germany index. I had already looked into the charts. Is all the charts that I'm referring is for on a daily 1 day charts. So huge resistance upside, is there, that is 14,510, and upside trend, for the candles so far. MACD is looking forward to divergence. Need to wait and see, we have to see what direction it is going to take. I feel that there will be some sort of a retracement in the market today. RSI is still in the comfortable zone, that's in the upside. Stochastic is getting divergent state, and DMI is in bullish mode. So looking to the MACD and stochastic, there will be some sort of a retracements today we can expect, and let's see what the market proves us. So let's look into the trading levels for the day. Okay, this is for the Germany. So long entry, if you get a long entry around 14,450, and if it trades, as I said before, 15 plus minutes, usually, or 30 minutes, say, for in case of Germany, because usually any uh, movements come after 15 to majorly it has been found that above 1400 and above 30 minutes only the markets make a movement in D30, that is German futures. Okay, so you can target for a to 14,000 as around 50 to 60 points, and beyond this, if it sustains, the next target would be 14,590. Now for a long stop loss should be 14,380, and if you want to enter for a short entry, 14,380. I do not think this will be going to 14,380 and below, but in case if it goes, it will be 14,330 and 14,300. So because 14,380 is a very strong support for the day, the ultimate support remains 14,200. But I don't think the market is going to these levels. Only any huge impact from news or something is only expected to make such sort of wild moves. So 14,400 to 14,450 will be a no trade zone for the day. In case you see if there are sudden swings coming up, you can try to take an entry at 14,400 if you get, and you can target 14,450 first target and 14,500 or 480 as the second target. So monthly trend is still neutral, and strong resistance remains 14,510. Any trend reversal scenario for a short duration should be 14,850. So there is a trading holiday in US, cash markets are closed. So let's see. I do not expect much movements in the market today. It seems to be a range bound market. Thanks for watching, and please visit my channel, and please subscribe and like, and also I would be thankful if you would put forward your comments. I will try to improve more on this, as this is my second voice provided explanations. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.